Hi everybody, this is SPLÄSH back another day with another unboxing with another sling bag. So a while ago I did an unboxing and review of a waterproof sling bag from Alpaca, and it was good. It was just not good enough as I thought. Maybe I didn't pull the zipper back enough, but yeah, so good but not good enough. But the thing is, with a waterproof whatever sling bag, you're probably not meant to be swimming with it, but that's what I want to do. It's great if it's just rainproof, but I want to swim with it. But I've learned a lot now. And Alpaca had something new that I thought was more waterproof, but that was something completely else. I've probably done an unboxing video of that as well. So then I started to think, okay, so waterproof. I want something really waterproof, and I thought of my backpacks that are waterproof from GASTON LUGA. GASTON LUGA has their own material. I don't know what it's called, but it's PVC free and environment friendly and vegan friendly, yada yada yada, and it's waterproof. They call it SPLÄSH, or the series they call SPLÄSH. And so yeah, I saw that they had a sling bag that I liked. It was in my size, sort of. I liked the key hooks on the sides. I think they're on both sides. The quick opening. So yeah, I liked it. And that is waterproof. But then I saw on the side that is waterproof to 8,000 millimeters. And I thought that was really weird. Is that some kind of way of bragging instead of you saying 8 meters? And yeah, so I was thinking, I'm not going to swim deeper than 8 meters in a pool anyway, so that would be just fine. But then I learned that when you are trying waterproof clothing and stuff like that, material, you put a large tube and fill it with water, and you just put the tube on the material. And the longer the tube is, that's what you call the millimeters and how waterproof it is. So our raincoat is 5,000 millimeters. So this is better than a raincoat with 8,000 millimeters. It sounds really weird to mention it like that. So I was going to try it in a bathtub, like I did with the Alpaca. The zippers looks waterproof protected. Let me show you the inside. I'm pretty sure there was, yeah. So we have an inside pocket with a zipper. You put your card and money. And nice, I like the sizing. Nice feeling in the zipper. And outer smaller pockets. No pocket on the back side. Something that I often miss with bum bags. But what I didn't see on the website that I see now is that the inside of it is soft, padded, but I would not call that waterproof. So sort of spongy. So if you are going to take a bath with it, this part is absolutely going to soak up some water. And the strap as well, but that's okay with the strap. But the strap is standard cotton, I'm guessing. Let me just check what it says. Eco-friendly waterproof material, 8,000 millimeters. Adjustable belt strap. 3 inner and outer pockets. I'm pretty sure that the size of it is 1.7 liters. It doesn't say here, but I'm pretty sure it says so on the website. So yeah, I like it. I like the sizing. I like the small Swedish flag. GASTON LUGA is a Swedish brand. I really like the zippers. Really nice feeling in the zippers. Because when you are wearing the bum bag, you want an easy accessible, easy adjustable zipper. Should have tried in a bathtub anyway. Yeah, why not? Just for fun. Alright, so I'm pretty sure this is not as water protected as I want it to be. I put microfiber cloth in there just to soak up some moist to see that is probably not waterproof. Let's see. Yeah, a bunch of bubbles. That is not a good sign. And the back side, yeah, as I assume. I think it's really wet inside. Yep. So, rainproof, I would call it, not waterproof as I want it to be. I want a sling bag that I can go swim with. But nice size, nice price. I really like the zippers. It sounds ridiculous to be super happy with the zippers, but the zippers were really nice. Easy. So if you are going to use it out in the rain, then it's good enough. Yeah, and as I assumed, the back side of this is just like a sponge soaking up water. So I will not use this at all. I will do a giveaway instead. So comment why you need it, what you need it for, and if you don't live in Sweden, you will have to pay for the shipping. Otherwise, let me know why you want it, and it might be yours.